Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Trade Mania. So in this, I want to discuss about technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So now in this video, I am going to discuss about technical analysis. In this technical analysis, we have to know first about the candlestick pattern. So what is the candlestick and how it will form, we will discuss in this video. So further more important topics, please subscribe to my channel. So you will get all the notifications and all the important concepts we will cover in this channel. So first of all, basic tool for technical analysis. First of all, we will discuss about what are the basic tools available for technical analysis. So we will use line chart, basic tools. These are the basic tools. Remaining advanced tools we will discuss in the next coming up videos. Bar chart and candlestick chart. And candlestick chart. So coming to this line chart, so we will draw closing points and the chart is like this. Coming to bar chart, total range in the time frame and open and close it will be there. So most wide popularly used chart is candlestick chart. Most of the analysts and the traders, they will use candlestick chart. So now we will discuss about how this candlestick chart is formed. So now let us take XYZ company. XYZ company. The cost of that each share is 100 rupees. Let us take the cost of each share is 100 rupees. Suppose today the market is opened at 100 rupees. The market is opened at 100 rupees and it went to lower 98 rupees. This is the low part, 98 rupees, and it went to up to the high of 110 rupees. And it came and closed at a point of 107 rupees. So during the trading day, the market is opened at 100 rupees and it came to lower at 98 rupees and it went to a higher of 110 rupees. And when the market closed, the share value of the price is closed at 107 rupees. So then in this way, we will represent in the candlestick form. This is the low. This week is low price, which is 98 rupees as we discussed. Here, the open. Here is the high of the candle. And here is the closing price. Here is the closing price of the candle. And these lines is there, no? These wick lines or lines. We will call it as this one upper wick. Upper wick. We will call it as lower wick. Down we will call it as lower wick. And here in the rectangular box we will call it as real body. In the rectangular box we will call it as real body. Hope it is clear. So when the price opened at 100 rupees and it came to down and make a low of 98 rupees and it went to higher of 110 rupees and it closed at 107 rupees. In candlestick, how we will represent this means opening price here and it went to lower and next it went to higher and it closed here. So here the candlestick part, this is called upper wick, this is called lower wick, this is called lower wick. Okay, the gap between open and close is called real body. The gap between open and close is called real body. Suppose if close is greater than open, close is greater than open, it is called bullish candle. It is called bullish candle. Okay, and always the bullish candle is represented with the green color. Okay, not only green color, some may be used blue color, someone will use white color, like that. So these real body is at 200 rupees and went to a higher of 205 and came to the low 190 and it closed, final closing price is 193. Final closing price is 193. So here the close is less than open. The close is less than open. Then it is called bearish candlestick. This is called bearish candlestick. Bearish candlestick. And here this is called upper wick. This is called lower wick. And the gap between open and close we are representing in rectangle, no? So that we are calling it as real body. That we will call it as real body. So usually the bearish candlestick we will represent with the color black or red. Black or red. One time we will go to the real life example and I will tell you how this candlestick is formed in the normal chart. Okay. Let us take the example of Reliance. I'm keeping here 1 day chart. Yeah. Suppose, see here. So observe this candlestick and observe their opening price, lower price, higher price. Suppose this candlestick you can take. What is the open? 1991. Okay. See above. You will get the open, high, low, close values. What is the opening value? 1991 for this particular green candle. Okay. What is the lowest value? 1992. What is the highest value? 2095. And what is the close value? 2082. So if you are observing here, what is the open value? 1991. What is the closing value? 2082. So closing is greater than open, no? So that's why this is the bullish candlestick. We will represent with green color. See here, the market opened here at 1991 and it came to lower. Somewhat it came to lower and make a low of 1982 and it went higher. It went high up to 2095.85 and again it came lower and it closed here. Okay, so here the close value is greater than the open value, so that's why it is a bullish candlestick. See here, this is the open, this is the close, this is highest and this is lowest. Okay, so next Come and see this candle. Let us take this candle. So you can observe the highest and lowest here. Which candle we are taking? Okay, this candle you can take. What is the open? 10, so 2018. And what is the highest? 2049. What is the lowest value? 1999. And what is the closing value? 2003.1. So here closing is less than open. So 2003.1 is less than 2018. So that means here the Reliance Industries opened at 2018 and closed below 2003.1. So that's why a close value is less than open. So that's why it is a bearish candlestick, and this color is red color. Okay, hope you got clear about how the candlestick is forming. Hope everyone is cleared about this how we are representing the candlesticks and all. So what is the bullish candlestick and what is the bearish candlestick? Okay, remaining examples of what are the remaining candlestick pattern and all we will see in the upcoming videos. Please like our channel and subscribe.